In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on Crossfade or enable Crossfade on Apple Music. So this allows you to fade into other songs as you're playing it through, and it's real easy to control and turn this on. So let's go to Settings, and you want to go down to the very bottom where it says Apps, and go ahead and type in Music. So this comes up, and you want to go down until you find where it says Song Transitions. And as you see, mine is off. Go ahead and turn this on. And you're going to have two options here: Auto Mix, which changes the song at the perfect moment, what they say, and then you have an option for Crossfade. So if you were to choose Crossfade, you can actually set the duration between 1 second and 12 seconds for the new song to fade into the old song. So you can really set this to whatever you want, and that way it changes the song according to your specific time frame instead of it doing it by itself. But that's it. It's super simple and super easy to go ahead and turn on Crossfade on your Apple Music.